if there are orders which have been issued, then the parties must comply with the orders issued. KRA on its side, the order is to reopen the factory, and that is why we are here today. The issues of what should be paid, of course, is subject to the process that is still ongoing between us and Keroche.
For us, the monthly bills of maybe electricity to maintain the vias around the other utilities, and of course the security is a lot of money. You know? Maybe even to maintain the monthly operations as quoted by the CEO earlier is almost 30 million every month. That one now we're not counting the loss in the market. Of course, being absent in the market for more than 2 months and almost this whole year.